I will unpack it. I will bam bam bam. I will unpack it. I will. Hello guys. Yeah, today I wanna unbox this box, and for the people that didn't watch my video, I bought my first FPV drone. I bought the Avata 2 from DJI. I'm very excited to unpack this box now. Literally, this box is still closed, so I have to get a knife. Yeah, here. And yeah, guys, I'm so happy. My dream is coming true. It's a big box for this small drone, but of course, it's like nearly $2,000. Australian dollars, sorry. I'm here at the moment in Sydney. That's the box, guys. Yay. Wow, my gosh, finally. Oh, it's like a kind of birthday and Christmas together. I'm so happy. Yeah, guys, it will blow your mind what you can do with this drone. It's unbelievable. This is the back from the FPV drone. I want to show you. This is the back from my DJI Mini 4 Pro. So you see it's a completely different. Yeah, there's of course more stuff in it because there's the goggles inside. Where's the opener? Here is the goggles, guys. We have here the drone. Okay. The batteries. This is the controller. And it's a nice bag. I'm very happy to have this bag to protect everything. I'm so happy to unpack this now with you guys. And look how beautiful this beauty is. Wow. So I can fly like this, diving down. It's beautiful. We have the goggles. Guys, look at this. Let's try to put this on here. It looks so futuristic. These are the antennas to have connection to the drone. I can adjust here the size. I have also here, I think, the battery inside. This whole thing is connected with the battery. Here I have also some buttons, but I have to figure out what I can actually do with that. It's so mind-blowing, guys, to have this thing in my hand. I saw it only in the YouTube videos. Now it starts my journey. It's so beautiful. We have this controller. It looks like a gun. Bam, bam, bam. Yeah, you can manage this drone here with this controller by flying like this. I want to show you later on how I managed to fly this drone in one point, but at first we have to learn flying this drone on the simulator. This was the unpacking from the drone. Of course, I have here one box more where the batteries are. And the beautiful thing is, with normal FPV drones, you are able to fly like 5 to 10 minutes or less, and with this drone I can fly like 18 minutes, guys. It's mind-blowing actually. In the FPV world you have a short amount of time where you can fly this FPV drone. This makes like the start flying with FPV actually pretty nice because you can have a lot of time to practice and flying. I'm so excited to show you more about the features about the drone. Of course, this video was the unpackaging, and I'm so happy to share this with you guys because it was a long journey. Now the journey starts with this beautiful thing, and I'm so happy to show you this, make it happen. Yeah, if you didn't subscribe to my YouTube channel, I would really appreciate this. Thank you. In the next videos, guys, you will see and learn more about the features about the drone, and I want to share more infos. Yeah, also flying with the drone. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to don't miss these parts, and see you in the next video, guys.